the kitchen floor, too damn busy playing your tough boy games, scrolling through your phone while I drowned in flames. You gave your pride more love than you gave me, so I'm taking the one thing you treat like a queen. I want your truck, the one you hold so dear. I think about you every time I grind those gears. I want your truck, don't bother trying your luck, 'cause baby, I'm the one driving off in your truck. You polished that Chevy more than you ever touched me, shined up that chrome like it meant something holy, revved it up loud every time we'd fight, just to drown out the truth you couldn't face that night. You want the girls and the ego and the barroom look. Well, baby, I'm keeping the keys to your lifted up truck. I want your truck, the one you hold so dear. I'll think about you every time I grind those gears. I want your truck, go cry to your boys at the bar. They'll see me rolling out in your truck, not you. Maybe someday you'll realize that love ain't measured in horsepower size, but by then I'll be long gone, rolling free. You're precious, right, sitting right next to me. You can chase your heartbreak, hell, chase your luck. I'll just be smiling, driving off in your truck. I cleaned your messes, washed your jeans, played the good wife in your selfish scenes. But I ain't waiting around for another excuse. I'd rather ride solo than tighten your noose. You didn't want my love, didn't give a damn fuck, so now you can watch me peel out in your truck. I want your truck, the one you hold so dear. I'll think about you every time I grind those gears. I want your truck, now tell me what you think about your truck that I've had painted red. Yeah, I want your truck, and baby, I ain't giving it back. It's my freedom ride and your heart attack.